is for Anteater. B is for Bobolink. Song, song. C is for Cuscus. Grunt, grunt. D is for Dusky Leaf Monkey. Hoot, hoot. E is for Egyptian Goose. F is for Feist Dog. H is for Hazel Grouse. Flutter, flutter. I is for Island Fox. Yup, yup. J is for Jordan's Nightjar. K is for Kalahari Thick-tailed Scorpion. Is for Leopard Lizard. M is for Martin. N is for Northern Reorganization. O. P is for Pianta Marine. Whistle, whistle. Q is for Queensland Koala. Bellow, bellow. R is for Red-capped Robin. Trill, trill. S is for Swallow-tailed Kite. T is for Tree Porcupine. Grunt, grunt, grunt.
U is for Uromastyx.
Hiss, hiss.
The letter U, Saharan Jewel.
V is for Vampire Bat.
W is for Wild Cat. X is for Zavantes Titi. The letter X, Calicebus. Y is for Wild Yak. Groo, groo, groo.
Z is for Zapata Rail. The letter Z, Cyanolimnas.
One more. A is for Agouti. B is for Black-headed Gull. C is for Crocodile. D is for Darwin's Frog. E is for Evening Grosbeak. F is for Frog. Ribbit, ribbit. G is for Griffon bruxellois. H is for Himalayan cat. I is for Indo-Chinese box turtle. J is for Japanese badger.
Grunt, grunt.
K is for Kalahari sand snake. is for loggerhead shrike.
Chatter, chatter.
M is for marsh harrier. N is for natterjack toad. P is for prairie rattlesnake.
Rattle, rattle.
Q is for queen ant. Click, click. R is for ribbon snake.
S is for Scottish Terrier. Bark, bark.
T is for turaco.
Cow, cow.
U is for Uliastai worm lizard.
Russell. V is for variegated laughing thrush. The letter V, Trocholopteron.
W is for wood thrush. Eole, eole. The letter W, Hylocycla. X is for Xanthusia. Y is for yellow-banded poison dart frog.
Z is for zebra spider.
One more. A is for Australian fur seal. B is for baboon. C is for Colobus monkey. D is for dove. E is for elk hound. F is for flatworm. G is for groundhog. Peep, peep. H is for helmeted guinea fowl. I is for Indian bullfrog. J is for Javon Warty pig. K is for Karoo Lock. Trill, trill. L is for little owl. M is for Monarch Caterpillar. N is for night snake. P is for palm squirrel. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Q is for queen butterfly. R is for red-billed oxpecker. Chatter, chatter. S is for starling. T is for timber wolf. Howl, howl. Is for unspotted saw-whet owl. Toot, 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 toot. The letter U.
V is for variegated laughing thrush.
The letter V, Trocholopteron. W is for wild turkey. Gobble, gobble. The letter W, Melagris.
X is for Xingu worm snake. The letter X, Leptotyphlo.
Y is for yellow-cheeked gibbon.
Z is for zone-tailed hawk.